Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12s and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So open first the settings app and then scroll down to the password and security section. Then click to privacy. Scroll down and tap to more security section. Here you'll see the SIM lock section. Tap on it, and to lock SIM card with a PIN code, you should tap on the switcher to activate this option and enter your PIN code. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. We just successfully locked our SIM card with the same PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.